Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through choke packet. In the last lecture, we have gone through warning bit, right? So the choke packet logic is also almost the same, guys. So it's almost the same. So basically, in the previous lecture, we discussed about warning bit, where the bit was updated and it is sent as an acknowledgement back, right? So here, we will be creating a packet whenever there is a congestion, and you will be sending this packet to the sender. That's it. The same logic here also, but it is directly sent, or it can also be sent by hop to hop also. We'll be discussing about that, don't worry. So a more direct way to telling the source to slow down is nothing but using the choke packet. A choke packet a choke packet is a controlled packet generated at a congestion node. So whenever a congestion occurred, we'll be just generating this choke packet and we'll be sending it and transmitted to the restricted traffic flow. So whenever there will be a free path, right, to go to the node. So in that path we'll be sending it. The source on receiving the choke packet must reduce its transmission rate by certain percentage. So assume that it is sending at 100 packets per second. So if you told it to reduce 60%, it will be going on from now on from 40 bits per second, right? That okay. So a small diagram will be in this way. Directly I am saying, so directly it is sending us. So this is one kind of choke packet. Similarly, hop by hop also we are having. So when the distance between these two nodes is too far, then we will be moving to hop, guys. Okay, so over long distances or at high speed, choke packets are not very effective. A more effective method is to send the packet by node. So you will be informing node 2 that please transfer to node S this choke packet. Okay, so again node 2 will be sending to node 1. Here is the choke packet, please send to S1. Similarly, it will be sending to, at the end it will receive to S1 and S1 will slow its transmission. That's it. So this is the logic behind choke packet. Okay, so in the next lecture, let us go through load shading, guys. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.